on the road again. Me and Ted back out there on the road again. So's he. Well, oh God. Yeah, no.
We're there.
Pretty sweet. Shite. That's gonna hurt. Yeah, that'll definitely leave a mark.
Not far. That was going to be a heaving plate.
No, that's mine.
No, that's mine.
Oh shit.
You got.
That's my one.
And
You've
who
got the
wants
ladle.
who wants the extra pepper?
That's you. That's your
Oh.
Yeah,
reward.
go on, Ted. You fucking cooked it, man.
It's like, well, I don't even like peppers.
Hate peppers.
And that was very nice. One pepper and one mushroom.
Do not drop any further than there. Be warned, do not drop any further than there.
So just
Fast as you can.
movement, but rotate my hand.
Sweet
Yeah.
noise, yeah?
Fast as you can. No, faster. That's not fast enough. No, it's still not fast enough.
Are you rotating your hand?
He's
I'm
useless.
trying.
Useless.
Yeah, I am.
Useless.
Is it maybe?
Go on, really fast as you can. No. You should be able to get that to bend. Like that. If you were fast enough on it.
I'm going to stand here for hours on.
Yeah,
This is a
you're doing
wind
it
up.
like that. No, it's not. It's not a wind up. Give it to someone else to do.
Touch?
Go on. I can't do it, I'm filming.
I know. I've noticed that. Fast as you can. Right at the very end. On here.
Yeah.
So, no, right the way back.
Yeah.
So
the very end, we're flicking
right,
the wrist.
Right there.
Yeah,
As far
yeah.
back as you can actually get onto your shoulder. Fast as you can. Flick the wrist. Don't stop your arm. You got to stop still. Going, but not like it should. No, you should. You should.
That's what we're going for. I'll try again.
You don't want to be on the receiving end of that, do you?
No.
That would smart.
It's hurting.
Yeah. I like all these excuses. You can actually hear it.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool.
Very useful for driving cattle.
I'm sure.
Is
Small
that what the
children.
kids call them these days?
That's it. So it'll end up in a recycling tip and it'll end up in the ground. Yeah? And then that's just basically a bit of wasted produce because do you think that's going to rot away in a week? 6 months? 5 years? 10 years? About that, about 10, 15 years for a basic sort of tin like this. But it can be reused. We can make other stuff out of it. Okay? I'm gonna hold it. You're gonna hit this, yeah? You're gonna hit this, not my hand. Not my hand. Yeah, 2 years ago, I ended up with so many bruises, I couldn't ride for about a week. And the top, yeah, top, right? Both hands, gotta hit it harder. Harder, go on, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Stop.
Yay!
Good, right, next one.
It feels strange and
Please, JJ, can I have some more burning stuff? Do we like fire?
yeah.
Is fire like the best thing ever?
Yeah.
After knives and axes and saws and bows and arrows?
I watched it for an
Yeah.
art project.
Disclaimer, I'm not responsible for any out of control fires that happen in the camping grounds of the
Well,
youth
you've
tonight.
obviously been inducing us too, so you know.
Yeah, let's all chant fire, 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 fire. Take pictures.
I miss.
And if you see me tomorrow around here, I want to see the pictures of your fires. Yeah?
Without further ado, Ray Mears.
I mean, look at the way you're dressed. I've seen everything from Pocahontas to Rambo walking around here, and I love it. There's so many different interests, and you all get on with each other, and I think that's really special. It's a unique thing, and I think probably at the core of all of this is you love being outdoors. Guys, thank you. It's been so nice to come here and see you all out enjoying yourselves, being bushcraft. Keep it up.
Just before you get the flame, you start to smoke change colour. Yeah. There we go. Great. Sweet. Nice one, that.
Let's just do this.
Right, so...
Over here. Can you get a lucky video shot? Looking down on the curiosity.
really well. Look at the colour changing. One more. Look at the colour. We're seconds away. I think that's it. I think you've done it. Oh, almost. One more. I think you got it. Look, fire. Woo! Hot. Ah! Put it down. Hey. Well done. That was the charts off and the bird's nest.
Quite a rough depression.
Oh, that's cool.
It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, right?
You know what else you can use?
It will form.
It's like chemical water.